Excel English Academy, and today we will read the poem of third chapter, Rain on the Roof. Okay, and let us start. Before that, discuss the word stock of this chapter. Okay, see, patter means sound produced by raindrops. Pattering, okay, flash, twinkle, wink, and there is also a news you have seen many times, news flash. Okay, melody means tune, tonal pattern, or you may call the sweet music. Okay, melodious music. Refrain, abstain, or chorus. Abstain means not liking, or here refrain means song, parts of song. Dawn means daybreak, start of the day, when the first time the sunlight appears. Okay. Tinkle means sprinkle. Shiver means thapthapana. Okay. Recollection means memories, a recall or remembrance of anything of past. Clear? And the bliss is happiness. Okay. Before now, without wasting any time, we will start the chapter, and please, you are requested to go through the line by line of NCERT book so that you could understand everything very well. And if you have any doubts or problems, then you can ask me through the comment section or comment section. Okay, my dear students, take out your NCERT book and read with me. Okay. See, this is the original book behind chapter number 3rd and chapter number 3rd, and this is the poem of chapter number 3rd. Okay, let's start. See, when the sky is covered with dark cloud and it start raining. When the sky is covered with dark clouds in the rainy season, clouds and start raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? Have you ever listened? Yes, I have listened number of times, and you have listened number of times. Okay. What thought flashed through your minds as you heard this melody of nature? Okay. What thought flashed through your mind? It means what thoughts came to your mind as you heard this melody of nature. It means what thoughts and what the ideas come to your mind when the rain starts, or when it is raining outside on your roof or in the field or on the road, anywhere. Okay. Read the poem to find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the rain. Now let us read and see what the poet is feeling and he is describing before us through this chapter. Before that, let us introduce the poet of this chapter. Coates Kinney. He belongs from USA. Poet, journalist, and politicians. Okay. Wrote this poem when he was living in a dormitory, when he was living in a hostel. Okay. Suppose the poet was sleeping on the bed and watching outside, and it is raining outside. On that moment, the flashback thought, it means the recollections, old memories flashing in his mind, and this is the part of that flash. Okay, the ideas, the memories that came to the writer's mind during rain, and that is given in this chapter. Okay, see, when the humid shadows hover, over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Let us explain. When the humid region, humid shadows means the dark cloud, black cloud full of moisture. It means heavy clouds. Okay. Hover means moving up and down, here and there, all around. Up and down, here and there, all around. That is called hovering. Okay. Overall, the starry sphere. Overall, it means like a star, like a stars in the atmosphere. The cloud is moving all around during the rainy season, and that moment is compared. And the melancholy, darkness. Melancholy means sadness. Melancholy, darkness, gently weeps in rainy tears. It means this, the movement, the situation, the dark situation weeps in the form of tears of rain. It means rain drops. It means now, after having a huge cloud, black cloud in the atmosphere, now it start raining, and poet thought the melancholy weeps in rainy tears. It means the dark cloud is now weeping and shedding their tears in the form of raindrops. Okay. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie nightly listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. What a bliss to press the pillow. What a happiness. It means when there is a raining outside and we are in the bed, we are on the bed having the cover, and we are clutching the pillow tightly, and that is the happy moment for us, and that is the nice moment, good moment, pleasant moment of a cottage chamber bed, and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain, and listening, and it is very pleasant to listen the pattering sound produced by the rain outside in under the kambal, or you may call whatever, pillow. Okay. Now second stanza. Every tinkle on the single has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being starred, and 1,000 recollection weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Every tinkle, it means every drop on the single. Single means the shape of the earth is generally rectangular, or there may be other object that is the form of a rectangle. Okay. Every tinkle on the single has an echo. Echo means sound, excitement. Echo in the heart. It means the drop by drop, the raining drops producing echo in my heart, making me excited. And 1,000 dreamy fancies. It means a number of fancies, number of dreams comes to my mind. Fancies into busy being heart, busy being start. It means the number of fancies, number of dreams came to my mind. And 1,000 recollection. It means 1,000 old memories weave their air threads into woof. It means now number of memories flashing coming into my mind, such that they are making a row. Row means one after one the recollection is coming to my mind, and I am remembering my old memories. Okay, or old happy days. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. It means these all things, his recollection coming to his mind when he is listening the pattering sound of the raindrops. Okay, outside. See, now the last stanza. Now in memory comes my mother. It means among 1,000 recollection, one recollection tells that her mother is coming into his now in memory, it means in his memory comes his mother. Okay, as he used in years ago, it means as he used to come a number of years ago as he used to come in number of years ago. It means to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn, and she loved him very much when he was child. Dreamers ere she left till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me, and now I am watching that she is looking to me. She is looking to me, and she loved me. Fond of means loved me. As I listen to this refrain, as I listen to this song, listen to the pattering sound of the rain. Okay, which is played upon the singles by the patter of the rain, which is played, which is performed upon the singles. Single means, I have already told you, the rectangular either a roof or a rectangular object that is kept on the roof. Every tingle on the singles producing a sound, and that is making much more producing excitement in the heart of the poet, and the poet is remembering her mother, his mother, and he is telling, my mother used to love me till the morning, till down the dusk, and she is very excited. And now see, with this the chapter has come to end. Now see the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem, we have heard a music that याद पिया की आने लगी भीगी भीगी रातों में, और जो we have heard number of songs that is related to the rain, and that produce excitement, energy in my heart. And on that time, okay, we remember our best one, and the poet is remembering his mother. Okay, see, theme of the poem. Okay, the rain produced pattering sound, and it appeals to the poet to remember his mother. It shows how the poet loves his mother. It means this is the summary, and the whole summary is based on the imagination. And if we imagine, if we think, that happens. Okay, my dear students, please take care and do the question answer of this chapter also. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share my channel.